So you finally did it. You've signed up for your first autocross event. You're pumped. You've watched all the YouTube videos. You've convinced yourself your daily driver is basically a race car. But what's actually going to happen? Let's talk about what you should expect and what nobody tells you at your first autocross. First things first, autocross mornings start early. Like, why am I awake before the sun early? You'll roll in, still half asleep, surrounded by every type of car imaginable. Miatas, Corvettes, Civics, and at least one guy who brought a bone stock Prius just to try it out. So, find registration, sign in. Then comes tech inspection, basically making sure your car won't explode. They'll check things like battery is secure, the throttle works, nothing's leaking. You're gonna make sure the wheels aren't about to fall off. They'll make sure your tires aren't corded and make sure everything is secure and nothing is gonna fly and hit you if you take a corner at Mach 3. So, pro tip, empty your car before you show up. Nobody wants to see your gym bag, spare change, and a 2017 McDonald's receipt fly across a lot at your first corner. Next up, course walk. Here's where you'll realize autocross isn't just about speed, it's about memory. You'll walk around a sea of orange cones trying to figure out where the heck the course goes. Everyone's pointing like they're in an FBI investigation or something. So you go left of that cone, right of this cone, then slalom. Wait, no, the other slalom. Don't stress. Everybody's confused the first time. Just walk it a couple times, find the flow, and maybe tag along with somebody experienced. Ask a lot of questions. And if you get lost, hey, that's what the cones are for. So autocross events are split into run groups. While one group races, the other one works. That's right. You're not just a driver today, you're also part of the staff. You'll be assigned a course assignment, which basically means standing out on the course with a flag and a radio, ready to reset cones and get obliterated. Here's a pro tip. Don't stand too close to the action. That WRX coming at you might be on its limit, or the driver might be on their limit. Okay, it's your turn now. Find yourself an instructor or somebody experienced to ride in your passenger seat. You've got your helmet on, you're strapped in, your heart's doing drum solos, the starter waves you up, you roll to the line, and in that moment you realize you have no idea where the course goes. But that's fine. Everyone's first run is chaos. The goal isn't to be fast, it's just to finish. Find your rhythm, breathe, and remember those cones are just there to help, and occasionally to die heroes. Hopefully by your third run, it'll all start to click. You'll begin to trust the car, the tires, and maybe even yourself. After each run, check your time. You'll think, okay, not too bad. Then you'll see the guy in the 20-year-old Miata running 5 to 10 seconds faster.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
That's the magic of autocross. It's not about horsepower, it's about skill. You'll learn car control, throttle modulation, and how much grip you really have. Here's a hint, it's way more than you think. And here's the best part, the people. Autocross folks are some of the most welcoming car enthusiasts you'll ever meet. You'll see seasoned racers giving tips to total beginners. Someone will lend you a tire gauge or help fix something on your car. It's competition, but also community. By the end of the day, you'll be sunburned, tired, and maybe a little dusty. But you'll already be checking when the next event is. Because autocross hooks you. It's addictive. You'll start thinking, maybe I need better tires. Or maybe it's the driver's mod. And that, my friend, is how it begins. So if you're heading to your first autocross, just relax, have fun, ask questions. And remember, everyone's first run is a mess. That's the point. This is driving, not posing. And trust me, you'll never look at a parking lot the same again. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe, and tell me what your first autocross experience was like, or what's stopping you from trying. So until next time, I'll see you at the next event.